What's up guys, back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about Google Trends, and we're going to basically talking about how we're going to use Google Trends for finding a niche, or maybe to even find for a specific region, and also how to get the right keywords. Let's get right into it. Now, what is Google Trends? Google Trends is a search trends feature that shows how frequently a given search term is entered into Google's search engine relative to the site's total search volume over a given period of time. Now, we're going to look at a few ways you could use Google Trends to your advantage. First, when we go to Google Trends, you can see a lot of things at one time. So let me break it down and make it simple. First, here you can see a search bar where you can search for any term or product or any name you might have. Basically anything which is in the Google database. Next, you see a few maps, a world map and two different maps of the United States. Now these are the maps showing different ways how Google Trend works. And here on the left, it shows that Kim Kardashian and Taylor Swift have been trending in the US for the past 7 days. In the middle, you can see that the world map is showing the interest of the term World Cup in so many of the regions of the world. And on the right hand side, you can see the comparison between American football and football in the different regions of the US. There are a lot more examples here which you can check out if you want. Now let's straight dive into the search bar and search a term. Let's say carry bags. Now when you search the term carry bag, you can see that I get a lot of information at once. Let me break it down for you. First, you can see a graph here which shows the interest in this particular term is pretty stable. The graph starts from 0 and ends at 100. You can see that the graph has a lot of ups and downs, showing when the term was really popular and when it was not. This graph currently shows the data for the past 12 months. Now below the graph, you can see that there is a map of United States with different blue areas showing the interest for the term. On the right hand side of the map, you can see the different states of the country with Hawaii, Colorado and Iowa in the top leading scores. And below both of these, you can see related topics on the left, meaning things or terms which might be related to carry bags in general have been shown here. And on the right side, you can see the related queries, which are all basically different topics which people search for. Now let's see how Google Trends helps us to find different niches. Now when you search a term, you can not just see the data of the trend in the past 12 months, but you can see the trend from 2004 to present. This helps to determine if the niche you might have chosen is going up or down or maybe even stable. Let's say for example, I choose a product fidget spinner and I want to write a blog on it. So I'll check if this product is trending or not. So let me just type in fidget spinner. Now you can see that it looks pretty stable here. But to be on the safe side, you would have to check it if this is going to last you very long or not. So let's change the time to 2004 till present. Now you can see here that there was a huge spike in the year 2017, but it slowly dropped off in the year 2018. Now this gives you the info on how you might or might not want to choose a niche for your blog. You can try doing this with a lot of different niche ideas which you might have in mind, and then when you find the right one, you can get started on it. Next, let's see how to try to find niches in a specific region. Now, you might want to target an audience of a specific place. Google Trends helps you to find the trend in a region as well. If you target for, let's say, duffel bag, and then you go to a state, say California, you see that the graph is totally different from the total of the United States. Now when you choose the same topic in a different region, say Virginia, you totally have a different graph. Now this information helps you to see if you want to target in this particular region or maybe multiple regions. Next, let's see how to find keywords as a starting point for your blog post. Let's say you want to create some post on a niche such as shoes. You can see that the graph shows that there is a gradual growth in the interest. Now you can see at the bottom that there are related topics and also related queries. You can use related queries for this use. As you can see here that there are a lot of shoes showing the different types. You can use that to create a post for different types of shoes like CrossFit, Red Bottom, or even Yeezys. Or even create a post where you list out all the different brands of the shoes available in that region. So this is how you can use Google Trends to find out different niches, keywords, and use them in your blogs and websites. And I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, click that thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button, and also click that bell icon to get notified for videos like this one. Thank you and have a nice day.